It's 1:23.
Alright guys, 1:23 p.m. I mean, yeah, it's technically Sunday. It's 1 o'clock, something. And that's how long we stay up, and this is what we always do. Hopefully, you guys can see that. And I'm at my dad's house. Yeah, little sneak peek. What I do at night. At my dad's house at night. It's summer anyway, so I get to do that. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Sorry guys, I gotta fix this. My friend, I guess. I don't know. Technically, stepbrother, I think.
Cousin.
Cousin. That's what he says. Yeah, so that's what I do at night. See you guys next video. It's gonna be a Minecraft video on PS3 edition. Please comment and please tell me how to record on your TV screen without you actually using the device. So, see you guys later. Bye.